Attention please, this is Ben the Weatherman with your 7-day forecast. Tonight, it's a high of 38 degrees. On Friday, 56 degrees, partly sunny. On Saturday, rain with a high of 45 degrees and rain with a low of 43 degrees. Sunday, 51 degrees with a low of 34 degrees and rain. Monday, windy and a high of 46 degrees with a low of 35 degrees. Tuesday, 56 degrees with a low of 36 degrees and sunny. Wednesday, a high temperature of 61 degrees and a low of 41 degrees and partly sunny. Friday, 56 degrees. Friday, 66 degrees with a low of 53 degrees and partly sunny. We have issued a wind warning for Bergen County, New York County, Fairview County, Richfield. This is Ben the Weatherman. Back to you on your 7-day forecast and the wind warning.